You know that why the perfume fragrance spread out? Smoking irritates us even at a distance? And the awesome smell of the food watered your mouth? In all these processes, diffusion or the effusion process takes place. Let's discuss it in a little bit detail to understand the concept of the diffusion and effusion clearly. Let's start. So what is diffusion? As you can see here in the diagram that the container with two portions, low pressure region and the high pressure region. Low pressure region having the less gas molecules and the high pressure region having more gas molecules. As you can see here in the diagram that the gas molecules start moving from the high pressure region towards the low pressure region to form a homogeneous mixture, and this process is called diffusion. By definition, diffusion is the spontaneous mixing of the non-reacting gases to form a homogeneous mixture, or the movement of the gas from the high pressure towards the low pressure region is called diffusion. Let's take examples of the diffusion from daily life. The first example is the spreading of the perfume fragrance. Do you know that what happened when an individual uses perfume and its fragrance can feel other? The reason is that the molecules diffuses into the air due to the random motion and the collision of the molecules, and thus reached to the other corner of the room and we felt its smell. Second example of the diffusion is the smoke from a lit cigarette spreading into the air due to the random motion and the collision of the molecules, and we felt its irritating smell even at a short distance. Bursting of the tire or a football is the third example of the diffusion from our routine lives. Do you know that the tire is filled with the gas molecules? So inside the tire the gas pressure is high, and when it bursts, the gas molecules diffuses or spread out from a high pressure region towards the low pressure region, and thus the diffusion process takes place. So what is effusion? As you can see here in a diagram that a container with two portions, low pressure region and the high pressure region. So what happened in case of the effusion? The gas molecules moves one by one through a pinhole from high pressure region to the low pressure region. Thus effusion is one-way traffic of the molecules. By definition, the effusion is the escape of the gas molecules from the higher to the lower pressure region through a pinhole. To understand the concept of the effusion clearly, let's take examples from our daily lives. Have you ever experienced the filling of the air in a tire or a football? Do you notice that we fill air in a tire or a football through a pinhole? So what happened? During the filling or the puncturing of the tire or a football, effusion process takes place. The gas molecules moves one by one from a high pressure region towards the low pressure region through a pinhole. As you can see here, in a football and also in a tire, there is a pinhole. So here the gas molecules move one by one from inside the tire to outside in a vacuum or in an air, and in this way the effusion process takes place. Another example of the effusion is the smell of the food that watered your mouth. Yummy! Notice that even if your food is in a tightly sealed plastic bag, the smell comes out of it because of effusion. The plastic bag having small holes, so the smell effuses out of the small holes of the bag. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Digital Chemistry. Thank you for watching.